Britannia Pier in Great Yarmouth has historically been a favoured spot for those seeking seaside amusement, and I am here today to provide an update on the new arcade that is currently being built. Over the last few months, we have witnessed this project transform from an empty lot into a developing edifice, and it is now beginning to take on a distinct form. Initially, it consisted merely of a steel framework, a skeletal representation of what was to come. However, significant progress has been made since then. The previously exposed structure now features its panelled walls, and large windows have been installed, offering a preview of what will soon become a bustling and vibrant arcade. Let us examine the advancements occurring within. As you walk through, you can start to envision the layout of the space. Although the interior is still in its preliminary stages, the walls and roof have created a more enclosed atmosphere, enabling workers to advance to the subsequent phases of construction. Looking upwards, the support beams and framework are coming together cohesively. It is easy to visualize where arcade machines, prize counters and entertainment zones will eventually be situated. With each passing day, additional details are being incorporated, bringing this project closer to its completion. Outside, the heavy machinery is in full swing. A massive crane dominates the skyline, lifting large panels high above the site. These panels are being carefully guided into place by skilled workers who stand ready on the roof, securing each section with precision. This phase is crucial because it ensures the building is properly sealed off from the elements, allowing for more detailed interior work to begin. It's a delicate operation that requires teamwork and coordination between the crane operator and the workers fixing the panels in place. So what can we expect from this new arcade once it's completed? While exact details haven't been fully revealed, it's safe to assume that this space will be filled with the sights and sounds of traditional seaside entertainment. From classic penny pushers and claw machines to modern video games and family-friendly attractions, this arcade is likely to become a must-visit destination for those visiting Great Yarmouth. Britannia Pier has always been a hub for fun and entertainment, and the addition of a brand new arcade will only add to its appeal. It's easy to imagine families and friends gathering here, enjoying the latest games, winning prizes and making memories by the sea. As we stand here, let's take a moment to appreciate the significance of this development. The pier itself has a long history, attracting visitors for generations. Over the years, attractions have come and gone, but Britannia Pier has remained a staple of Great Yarmouth seaside culture. This new arcade represents not just a fresh addition to the pier, but also an investment in its future. It's a sign of ongoing growth and improvement, ensuring that visitors continue to have exciting new experiences when they come to this iconic location.